this is Cody here. Hey, Luigi.
What?
You see anything so far besides being on the dragon?
No, that I only see a tiny ship far away, over there.
Well, over where?
There.
Can you scan what it looks like?
It looks like a bad guy's ship.
Incoming! Look out! It's a slave thing! Ha! Looks like we found them.
Yes, that's right.
Let's get them. Attack!
Ha, let's get them.
Yeah.
Yes, I think we should.
Where's Grievous?
What do you want?
Come on, let's fight them.
Fine.
Oh, that's not the worst. Look! It's a little raft. Ha, Link. Now I will finally defeat you. Ha ha ha. Ha, Samus, I will finally destroy you.
No, you won't.
Let's see it. We'll see. Ha ha ha. Well, Indiana Jones, it looks like we finally meet.
Finally, I can kill Anakin Skywalker and Luke.
Oh no! Oh, this is gonna be great. Just great.
Yep.
Let's go. Ah, let's get him.
Yeah. You'll never beat me.
Eat.
Get him, Anakin.
Then I'll teach him. Okay, that's good.
Yep.
Oh no.
Take this.
Ah. Who am I gonna fight? Well, it looks like Shadow. You with me?
Yeah.
Let's die. Ah. Show. Ah.
Chaos.
Oh no, not chaos. What?
I killed him. I
Gotta teach Shadow a lesson.
take this.
Eat this. Chaos electric. Oh gosh, I'm gonna do high voltage.
Ha, sucker. Now let me take off your mask.
Ha, so this is stupid bird. Oh. Come here, Link, so I can kill you. That won't happen, evil Link. At least the dragon's not going to eat me. Well, I guess so. Luigi, let's get him.
Eat this.
No. Oh.
Do your fire dragon.
Wow, that dragon's awesome.
Yep. Nobody can hurt their son.
Yeah. Okay, well, my work's done. Short round, where are you?
Okay, Dr. Jonesy.
Let's kill him. Eat this, Killer Jones. Hey, look. Here's a Holy Grail. Well, that's good. So if one of us gets hurt, or almost dies, we can use it. Right, short round?
Dr. Jonesy, isn't it your turn?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
Take this.
Oh. Oh.
with all the blood?
Well, you killed him. We surrounded you, Super Battle Droid. Ha! Take this. Oh. 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 At least no one's sniping me. Oh. Oh. Now that's how clones do it. No. Ow, my head. Die, Storm. Put you on, Luigi. Oh. Eat this. Oh.
This.
Oh no, not my mouth. Oh. Look, it's getting away. Luigi.
Oh.
Let's get him. Let's get him. Oh. Let's get him. Get him, move.
Wait, he's after.
Oh no. Here's
Finally, I catch you on grease.
Let's get him.
Now you can't get me.
Ah, my hand. Let's take off my mask.
Let me do this.
Now I'll show him.
Yep.
Okay. And boom.
Wait,
What?
we forgot something.
What?
Is Luigi alright?
Yes.
Yep. And